Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Chapter 1. How to uninstall Microsoft Edge from console. To start, open Microsoft Edge. Here, click on Settings and More, click on Help and Feedback. Then, select About Microsoft Edge. If an update is available, it will be downloaded and installed. When finished, click Restart to confirm the changes. Now, when Edge opens again, it confirms the version used. After this, right-click on the Start menu. Click on Terminal Admin. Then, open File Explorer. Go to the path that we show you on the screen. Copy this path. In the console, use the command CD path. Press Enter. Now, use the command you see on the screen to uninstall Microsoft Edge from the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to prevent Microsoft Edge from being reinstalled. To start, enter the word regedit in the search. Then, click on Registry Editor. Now go to the path you see on the screen. Then, right-click on the Microsoft key. Here, click New. Then, select Key. Now, enter the name Edge Update. Then, in any free place, right-click. Click New, then select Stored 32-bit value. Assign the name Do Not Update to Edge with Chromium. After this, double-click on this new value. Now in the field, Value Information, assign 1. Click OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.